back. Today we're going to look at three different ways to multiply. We're going to start with traditional multiplication, then we're going to take a look at partial products, and lastly we'll take a look at the distributive property so that we can compare each method and see how they stack up. Let's start with that traditional multiplication. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply 4 by the ones place. 4 times 1 is?
4. 4.
4. Yes, it is Friday. I heard people say 5. It's okay, you added. Let's now go to 4 times 8 in the tens place.
32.
32. Watch how I write it. 32. Okay, so I carry that tens place over. That will add to the hundreds place when we multiply the 3 times 4, but we're going to write it like a regular 2-digit number. So now we have 3 times 4
12.
plus 3.
15.
Carry that 1 over to the next column. Bring that 5 down. Notice how I'm lining up my columns. And now we have 4 times 5 plus 1. 21. Since I have nothing else to multiply here, I'm not going to carry that 2. I'm just going to write it down here. So 5,381 times 4 is 21,524. Now let's take a look at partial products. So I wrote it a little smaller. Let's see if we can have both in the screen, because we're going to have a lot of numbers stacked up now. So remember, with partial products, we're actually going to use each place value. So 4 times 1 is still 4. But now we're going to do 4 times 80. I'm going to put my 0 there so I have my power of 10 for the 80. So what's 4 times 80?
32.
4 times 80? 320. Excellent. All right, now we're going to 4 times 300. Let me make it 100 times as great. So what's 4 times 300? The same as?
1,200.
Good. Oh my goodness. I broke my pencil again. 4 times 300 is 1,200. Or we can just think of it as 4 times 3 with 2 powers of 10. Now, let's go all the way over to 4 times 5,000. Wow. 5,000. How many zeros in 5,000? 3. I'm just going to put those in right now so I don't get confused, because I know that there's a 0 in the product of 4 times 5,000. What is 4 times 5? 20. So 4 times 5,000 is 20,000. So when you compare and you see these numbers up here, you're going to get the same numbers in the same places in 2 different ways. So there's our 4, 2, 5, 1, and there we have 21,524. All right, last one is the distributive property. So the first thing we need to do is break 5,381 into its parts. So we'll start with 5,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 10 times 4. Oh, I need another pencil. Bash, quickly. Pencil, please. Thank you. Oh, yes, I was rushing. Brooklyn, you caught me. That should be a 1. And the phone is ringing. Times 4. All right, so let's do 4 times 5,000 plus 4 times 300 plus, go ahead, you can ask, 4 times 80 plus 4 times 1. Ooh, that's a lot of work, isn't it? But look, it's kind of the same as what we did here, isn't it? So we're going to get the same products. So 4 times 5 is 20. And how many powers of 10 do we have? 3. 4 times 3 is 12. How many powers of 10 do we have?
2.
4 times 8 is 32. How many powers of 10?
1.
And 4 times 1 is
4.
4. All right, so when we add all those up, guess what we're going to get? 21,500. Oops, I'm writing the 500. Got a lot going on here today. 21,524. And now you know.
Subscribe.